Hey my angels, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm just chilling in my room and I know I'm super messy, but we are just packing in this video, and I just wanted to let you guys know that I will not be posting for, I have lipstick over here because I just ate food. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I will not be posting for 2 weeks because I am going to Dubai for 2 weeks, and I'll be pretty busy over there and I won't have time to, like, you know, because editing takes long. So I wanted to tell you guys that I will post once I'm back, and I wanted to show you a bit of my packing and all that kind of stuff. Really not specifically what I'll be carrying, but just like how I pack, and maybe a bit of my makeup and a bit of my shoes and stuff like that. Just basic kind of packing and a bit of packing essentials. So yeah, I've never done this kind of video, so I said let me do this video. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you do, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, that's it, and I will miss you guys while I'm away. Obviously you guys know how much I love you, and yeah, I guess that's all. And I can't wait to go first, and then I can't wait to come back, because you know, posting the videos and all that I'm going to be taking over there. Yeah, I'm super excited. So yeah, so if you guys want to see this video, then please keep watching. So guys, I'm carrying this suitcase. This is one of them. It's like a medium-sized suitcase, and then the other one I'm carrying is this hard one. Like, you guys know these suitcases, and it has so much space. Sorry, I'm chewing. It has so much space, and yeah, this one's also pretty big. It actually can fit more than that one. And this one is, I'm just carrying it as my makeup bag. It's not really a makeup bag, but carrying it. And then I'm carrying this small little hand luggage, guys. It is really nice and convenient and has the 4-wheel, as you guys know. I mean, all of them have the 4-wheel, so that's perfect. So guys, I went to Bata because I needed a pair of white shoes, like just anything white and something that I can walk with and is easy to walk with. So I got these amazing cute shoes, which are so pretty. Let me show you guys. This is how they look like. They're so nice for walking. Like, I know they are like wedgie type, but then they're comfortable and nice for walking. So yeah, that's why I got them. And they have like this closing thing so that it doesn't open, like it's perfectly, like, you know, closed over here and doesn't open all the time. So yeah, I love them, and I got them on sale, so you can check them out, guys. So guys, this is all the stuff I have removed to carry. It's 2 weeks, so it's a long time, so that's why I've just carried a few extras, and probably I'll buy a few things, but I'm kind of limiting myself from buying. So I just want to show you. So this is just an extra jeans I've carried. This is a yellow top with this jeans. It's a pretty cute top, by the way. It's like off shoulder ish, and there's that denim jacket and this denim romper with the orange top. Actually, I've kept everything together so that I don't forget what I have to wear with. And this is like a palazzo trouser. This is a purple top with tights, and these are some extra t-shirts and I don't know what and what. And these are the new trousers that have come out. Let me just show you this properly. So this trouser I got recently, and it's so pretty. Can you see this, the ends of the trouser? It's so cute, and it's the one in fashion. Like, it's so nice. I just love this, and I'm excited to wear this. Back to the video. This is a blue dress, a very pretty blue dress, and this is also a dress, black dress. Yeah, this color dress. And this is like a trouser kind of thing. It's like a trouser, kind of a short, maybe half till my knees kind of trouser with this top. And these are all rompers, not actually rompers, sorry, these are all jumpsuits. That's pink, jungle green, black, and that is flory. And this is a trouser also with this top. This is a very pretty top, by the way. It's by Emporio Armani, and it is so nice and so cute, as you guys can see. So yeah, that's that. And then this is just like a very nice sheer kind of top, And this is another trouser just like that one, but a bit different. Let me show you. These are the ends of this one. So cute, oh my god. So yeah, that's that. And then this is another jeans. This is my favorite jeans actually, the one I always wear, you guys know. I don't need to show it in the video. And this is just some kind of Zara kind of trouser-ish thing. And this is also the same kind of trousers that I showed you. I'm so into these trousers, so I got like millions of them, you guys know me. So this one is so pretty, you guys can see. So cute. I actually removed the label even yesterday. Here is the tag. So I got like 3 swimsuits with all 3 have their own cover-ups. I don't want to show the swimsuits exactly, but these are the cover-ups. So pretty, so pretty, and so pretty. This one is actually kind of nettish, as you can see. It's very cute. So I just decided to take 3 basic belts. This is silver, and this is brown, and this is black. So for my clothes, I'm going to be using the black suitcase with the 2 sections, as you can see, as it's perfect for my clothes. And yeah, so for my clothes and maybe my makeup. So what I do when I am packing is, if this is a pair of jeans, I will take this top and just make it as small as possible, like this. I will fold it like round like this, and then put it inside my jeans and fold it like this. This will save a lot of space and you can carry much more, as you can see. Then putting it flat, you'll be wasting a lot of space. Pairs, guys, 22 pairs of clothes have fit perfectly, as you can see, and I still have so much more space on this side to put my swimsuits and my hats and everything else that I'm thinking of. So guys, both sides done. I know guys, I'm always packing at night, but I only get time at night, I swear to god. So I'm carrying these 9 pairs of shoes, and these are the white ones I bought from Bata, and these are some nice black plain flats that I need. I need black plain flats, and 1 pair of sneakers, nude pink, and these are just slippers. These are so comfortable, these lime green slippers, and these ones are for like the beach or the pool area. If I go, they're plastic, and these are nice for when I'm traveling, actually when I'm in the airport. And these are just sandals, normal bronzy sandals, and these are silver kind of sandals, also very pretty and comfortable. So everything I've carried is perfectly comfortable. So for hats, I'm carrying these 3 hats. As you can see, this one's so pretty, and this one is the one I bought from Mr. Price, and this one's so pretty for the beach and for the swimming pool. So just those 3. And for bags, I'm carrying this one. This is a backpack, and then this backpack and this backpack. So this big backpack I'll be using like when I'm traveling, also in the airport and all that. So these are the only 3 bags that I will be carrying. This one I'll be putting all my stuff like my passport and all that kind of stuff, and these ones I'll be carrying with me. This one is a bit smaller, so I carried another black backpack just in case I'll not be using this huge one when I'm there. So this is my hand luggage. I'll just be putting my hats because I don't want them to get spoiled. So I'm carrying 1 straightener and 1 curler, which I don't know if I'll use. I'll probably just be lazy. So for skincare and hair care, this is all I'm carrying. These are my wipes, my cleanser. This is a milk cleanser. It's by Pierre Balmain. My toothbrush, and this is just a pack of like body lotion, body wash, and conditioner and shampoo and soap and facial soap, just in case I do not like what they give me on the first night in the hotel, so that the next day I can go and get something else. And this is my toner. This is also body lotion, hand cream and foot cream. This, don't even look at it, the packaging is horrible, but my black soap is inside here, and this is the best. And this is my eye cream by Olay, and my comb. Obviously you guys know how much I love such combs. And this is my body splash by Victoria's Secret and 17 instant glow body bronzer, just in case I use it while I'm in the pool and all that. And my deo, my sunscreen, this one is by Shiseido. It has SPF 50. And my face cream by Olay is also so good, guys. And this is for my hair, just in case it's very frizzy and all that. Once I spray this, it will be perfect. And sanitizer, of course. Cleansing pads for my cleanser, and just in case the first night the hotel doesn't have. For a moment I forgot the name of this, but shower cape and a few cotton swabs. So yeah, so that is it I'll be carrying. As for my skincare, so for makeup I'm not carrying much. I'm just carrying my usual and my beauty blender. Actually eyeliner poured in this, and now it looks like this, so I definitely have to buy a new one once I reach Dubai. So yeah, this is the primer, foundations, concealer, powders. This is a loose powder from MAC, and eyelash curler because I'm not going to be putting lashes. And yeah, these lipsticks, lip tint, Max Factor lip tint, highlighter, contour, setting powder, blushers. Yeah, that's it. For jewelry, I'm just carrying the slightest bit, only these bracelets and a few rings and a few earrings, very small tiny stud earrings. For perfumes, I'm carrying this Olympia by Paco Rabanne and J'adore by Christian Dior, just the two. For shades, I'm just carrying these four, guys, my usual favorites. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and yeah, that was just my packing kind of stuff, and that's what I usually carry. I usually carry extra, guys, because it's always like that. I carry extra and then I end up also shopping, and yeah, that's my problem. But this time I just want to try and shop less and do more of like fun stuff and that kind of stuff, because last time I went to Dubai I just shopped and did not do any kind of like activities and that kind of stuff, and that's what I want to go and do this time. That's my motive this time, and I want to keep it to that. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, and if you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe down below. Don't forget to like the video and join the family, guys, the family. I will miss you guys, and I have nothing else to say except I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. And I hope this video helped you, like on packing essentials and that kind of stuff. You don't need to carry a lot like me. See you.